Hi friends, this is Barbara and we are doing another crock pot meal. I have 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, and we are going to mix the sauce. What we're going to start with, half a cup of honey, try to get it all out of there. Then we're going to go ahead and go with 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm going with the low sodium. Okay. 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. Alrighty. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of ketchup. Okay. Sometimes it's a little more than a tablespoon. That came out too fast. Then we're going to want to throw some black pepper in there to your liking. And now let's try to get that all stirred up. And this will take a little bit. So I am going to, when this is done, I'm going to serve it with some rice and broccoli on the side. There, that's starting to loosen up now, as you can see. That looks so much better. Now we just want to pour our mixture over our chicken. And scrape that because, you know, it's honey. It kind of likes to stick. Kind of move that chicken around so the sauce can get mixed up in it. The crock pot will take care of the rest. You want to pop your lid on. Then you want to cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or high 3 to 4. As you know, I like to turn mine on high for 3 to 4 hours. Also, I wanted to say, if you want to thicken that sauce up, you can add some cornstarch. I'm leaving mine as is. Okay, and now that our chicken is done, I decided not to shred it, you know, with my twisty chicken shredder. I'm just going to kind of like, because I want bigger chunks, so I'm going to use my masher here, my meat masher, and the link is listed below for both. Yeah, see how, look at how easy that is. This is extremely, like, you just gotta barely touch it. Oh gee, okay, honestly, you could just do it with a spoon. That's how tender it is. Look at that. Okay, there's a chicken breast. Look at that, how, just break it up. Okay, well, I took that out and I didn't need it. So yeah, that turned out really good there, how I wanted it, by the way. So what I am pairing that with, I got some rice with cheese on top, broccoli, threw a little bit of cheese on that. And then I am just going to put the chicken to the side. Sauce on top. I want to taste the rice with some chicken. And this is very hot. Be careful when you first open your lid. Okay, that was perfect. It's really good. That's a really good combination, I think. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. Love you guys.